Hello students, in the series of learning Python programming language, in this session I am going to talk about tokens in Python. See, we have already covered some points in Python, like we have seen what is Python, what are some features of Python. Again we have discussed that hello world program. Okay, now in this session I am going to talk about tokens in Python. What is token? Token keyword we have already seen while learning C, C++, again Java. Actually that is common in all programming languages. Okay, now what is that token? Token is the smallest individual unit of a program. If you are considering any program, then that is form of different tokens. Okay, means whatever units you are using in program, those are divided into different categories. Actually there are different types of tokens and all the units of program comes under these tokens. Okay, now see, suppose we have already seen that hello world program in Python, how we write print and then hello world. Now see, it is form of different tokens. This parenthesis is a token. Then in double quotes we are writing this hello world. You can also use here single quote. Okay, and this hello world is a string literal here. This hello world is a string literal here, and that is one type of token. Now what are different tokens in Python? Those I am going to discuss now. See, the token is nothing but a smallest individual unit of a program. There are multiple types in it, like it may be identifier, the token may be identifier. Suppose you are writing program for doing addition of two numbers in Python, then how it will be? See, suppose I am just directly assigning value to two variables. Let a equals to 5, b equal to 7, and here c equal to a plus b I am writing, and just print addition equal to c. This is the program suppose. Okay, this is a program to add two numbers in Python. Okay, see, here I am directly assigning values to these two variables a and b. It is not compulsory, you can also accept input from user with the help of input function present in Python. Okay, but that part we will see in coming sessions. But before that, just try to understand what is token concept. Now here see, I am using a equals to 5, b equal to 7. These a and b are variables. Actually these are names given to variables, and that is nothing but an identifier concept. Python is a multi-paradigm procedure oriented approach you are using. That's why you will declare here different functions also. If you are giving name to any function, then that is nothing but identifier. Names given to variables, functions. Suppose you are creating any class, because Python supports object orientation. Then if you are creating any class and you are giving name to that class, then that class name is again identifier. Getting? Now here A, B, C, these three identifiers are used. Whatever name you are giving to any program element, names given by the programmer to program elements are nothing but identifiers. Identifiers, why we use identifier? For identification purpose, that's it. Okay, you are having a name. What is the purpose of that name? For identifying you, that name is given by your parents. Getting? Now this is nothing but a identifier concept. In program we are writing functions, we are writing classes, we are writing variables, means we are creating variables. Okay, again we are creating classes, and for identifying that we are giving some names, and those names are nothing but identifiers. Okay, we have to create a function like this, def x, y, z, in this way, and after that you have to write some code. Okay, and this is x, y, z is a name given to one function, that is again a identifier. Getting some idea? Okay, now next point is keyword. Keyword means reserved word. Reserved word by the language for its own purpose. You know, in C, in C++, Java, there is a reserved word concept. Again, same thing is there in all programming languages. Some reserved words are there, like for, if, then there is a try catch. Okay, then one more reserved word is class. Class is a keyword. Okay, these reserved words you cannot use for identifier purpose. Means what? Suppose you want to create any variable, then we can use any other valid identifier name, but any keyword, if there is any reserved word, then that you cannot use for identifier purpose. Means I cannot create an identifier or any variable like this, for is equals to 5. This for is a keyword that I cannot use for identifier. Getting? Keywords are reserved word by the language. There are actually 33 reserved words in Python. In C, in C++, in Java, we have to mention the data type of a variable at the time of declaring that variable. That's why that int, char, float, like this, all these are keywords in those languages. But those are not in Python. Whatever data type related words like int, char, float, those are not in Python. Those are not keywords present in Python. Remember, because there is no need to explicitly declare data type of a variable. Okay, but those are functions present in Python. Those are like type conversion functions. Okay, that part we will discuss in any other session. Now there are 33 keywords, like there is a if, there is for, okay, then while, next one else, then elif, okay, then break, then continue, etc. These are some keywords present in Python language. Next one is a operators concept. Operator means a symbol that is used to take any mathematical or logical action on operands. Okay, you know, in mathematics we are using plus, minus, multiply, divide. Those all operators are still present in Python. Okay, actually Python is having two types of operators like unary and binary. Whatever operators working on single operand, those are called as unary operators. You know that unary, minus is there. And whatever operators working on two operands, those are called as binary operators. For example, a equals to 5, b equal to 7, c equal to a plus b. Now here we have used two operators like equal to, this is a assignment operator, this plus is a binary operator, here equal to is also a binary operator because it is acting on two operands. Now here see plus we are using, it is arithmetic operator present in Python to do addition of two numbers. Just like plus there is a minus, multiply, divide. Now there is a division operator like this. This is for integer division. Two times you have to place these forward slashes. That is for integer division. Okay, for integer division. See this symbol we are using in C, C++, again Java for comment purpose. And that is a operator, integral division. You can say it as a floor division. Okay, that is for integral, means only integer part will be taken here in case of Python. Okay, that is a integer division operator, floor division operator. Now for normal division operator is again still present. That is for normal division you will get result in floating point value. Okay, now see these are some operators present in Python. There are unary operators, binary operators. Again there are multiple categories, like there is a less than symbol, greater than symbol, less than equal to, greater than equal to, not equal to, like this. These all are relational operators, comparison operators. Okay, less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and double equal to. See, you must know the difference between single equal to and double equal to. Single equal to is assignment operator. Whenever you want to just assign right hand side value to left hand side variable, okay, then you have to use assignment operator. And whenever you want to compare two values, inside if we are normally using this comparison, like we are writing like if a equals to 5. Now there is a difference between these two. This here we are assigning 5 value to a, and here we are comparing whether value of a is 5 or not. Okay, a equal to 5 will return either true or false. Getting? Means you are just writing suppose print. Okay, and before that suppose you have created one variable a equals to 5 like this, then it will return true. Okay, it will display true, that is true, like this T is capital here. Getting? Now this is what operator concept. Operators are unary, binary, and again there is ternary operator concept also. That question mark colon we are using in Java, C, C++, but that type of operator is we have to use in somewhat different way in Python. Okay, concept operator is nothing but a special symbol that you are using to do any mathematical or logical action on operands. There are basically two types of operators, unary and binary. If operator is acting on single operand, then that will become a unary operator. If it is acting on two operands, then that will become a binary operator. Some examples are like this. Here we have used equal to, that is assignment operator. Plus is a arithmetic operator for addition. These less than, greater than, these all are relational operators. See, there is a equal to, this is again comparison operator or relational operator. Getting? Now next point is a literal concept. Now literal is nothing but a constant, you can say, fixed values, whatever you are using in program, whatever fixed values you are using in program, those are nothing but literals. There are different types of literals like numeric, string, boolean, none. Now from that numeric is having three types of literals again, like integer literal, then float literal and complex literal. Okay, complex data type is again present in Python. Okay, complex numbers you can directly use in Python programming. Now integer literals are like 5 is an integer literal. Again you can represent integer values in the form of octal or hexadecimal, again binary also. Okay, now suppose you are mentioning any value like 5.7, then that will become a floating point literal. Complex number also you can mention, like let 5 plus I7. Okay, that is what, that is a complex literal. Getting? These are some numeric literals. Next one is a string literal. We have seen that hello world program. That hello world, what is that? We have enclosed that in double quotes. That is a string literal. We can enclose string in single quote, double quote or triple quote. If we want to mention any single line string, okay, then that we have to enclose in either single or double quote. But for multi-line string you have to use triple quotes. See, 3 triple single quotes you can use or 3 triple double quotes you can use, like this. Okay, opening and closing. Now this is for multi-line string, and that is a string literal concept. Now next one is a boolean literal. Boolean literal is having only two values, true or false. Actually true means 1 and false means 0. Now none is again one more literal, that is a special literal. It is having nothing value, means no value, that is none. These are some literals present in Python. There is no any character literal concept present in Python, because single character is again a string in Python. Okay, means character also you can enclose in single or double quote, then that will become a character literal, but its data type will become a string. Now next point is punctuators. Punctuators means symbols used to organize structure, statements or any expression. Okay, suppose you want to organize any structure, statement or expression, then that symbol is nothing but a punctuator. For example, suppose we are using square bracket, any parenthesis. See, we have used that parenthesis in print. Okay, that is again for functions we are using parenthesis. Then next one is this curly brace, then those are nothing but some punctuators. Again we are using dot. Okay, that is again a punctuator. Now next one is a white space. See, white space means we have to just write spaces in between statements, and that is nothing but a white space. That is again a part of your Python program. That's why that also you can write inside token. But there are basically 5 types of tokens, like identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to program elements. Next one, keywords. Keywords are the reserved word by the language. There are 33 keywords in Python, like if, for, break, while. Getting? Next one is operators. The symbols which are acting on operands, those are nothing but operators. There are unary and binary operators, like plus is there, equal to is there, less than is there, they are greater than is there, and so on. Then literals means some fixed values if there are, then those are nothing but literals. Numeric literals, string literals, boolean literals, and some special literal, that is a none. Next one is punctuators. Symbols used to organize any structure, any statement or any expression, those are nothing but punctuators. And there are some punctuators like this. Then white spaces are nothing but white spaces also you have to place in between two units, two tokens. Okay, this is the token concept in Python. In the next session we will discuss this identifier concept in depth. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.